Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Concept Ease. So as promised in my last class, I am here with the exercise 1.1 of the chapter Real Numbers. So I hope that you guys are now familiar with the Euclid's division lemma, which we saw on in our last class. So here we are going to apply this concept in order to solve the questions in exercise 1.1. So before starting the class, guys, if you like my channel, if you like the way I'm teaching, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Let's start today's session. So here is the first question. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of the following. We have three sub-questions in this. So here I'm going to solve the first one and the rest two is our homework for you guys. So do learn from this one which I'm solving, and you guys try on yourself the rest two sub questions, and please do comment below if you guys are stuck somewhere. I will be very happy to help you guys. So let's start. The very first question is we have to find the HCF of 135 and 225 with the help of Euclid's division algorithm. Euclid's division algorithm is nothing but what we studied, that's Euclid's division lemma. The same is known as Euclid's division algorithm. So here we are going to use this concept. We know that let's have a small recall session of the last class where we studied the Euclid's division lemma. States that if you have any two positive integers a and b, then you can express it as a is equal to b cube plus r, where 0 is less than or equal to r less than b. So in our case we have two positive numbers. So here what our task is to find out which one is our a and which one is our b. It's no big deal. The largest number will be your a and the smallest will be your b. So considering 225 as a and 135 as b, let's do a long division with this. So 225 divided by 135, 135 ones are 135, the remainder is 90. You know that in order to find, okay, so what we are gonna do is we will just express this a and b, that's 225 and 135, in this form. That's Euclid's division algorithm. A is equal to b cube plus r. So our a is 225, 225 is equal to b. B is 135 multiplied by the quotient. Our quotient is 1 plus the remainder, that's 90. Now what we are going to do is, so in order to find the HCF using Euclid's division algorithm, our aim is to make the remainder as 0. The moment you get the remainder as 0, your divisor at that point of time, that's the b at that point of time, will be your HCF. So in the very first step, we are left out with the remainder as 90. So in this case, we have not yet arrived in the case where we have a remainder 0. So we will be taking further with the same method, where we are going to define our new a and new b. Your new a is nothing but the divisor, but the b of the previous step. So to move on to next step, your new a will be the b of the previous step and your b will be the remainder. So moving on, guys, here we have our new A as 135 and new B as 90. We are going to repeat the same which we did in our last step. We are going to do a long division with 135 as the dividend and 90 as the divisor, as we did in our last step where we have 225 as the dividend and 135 as the divisor. So 90 ones are 90, the remainder remains here as 45. So we are going to express the same thing as the Euclid's division algorithm, where A or 135 is equal to B, that's 90, into the quotient Q, which is 1 in this case, plus the remainder 45. So even in this step we are not left out with the remainder as 0, so we are gonna proceed further with considering our 90 as new A and 45 as new B. So as you see here, we are gonna repeat the same step again, where we have 90 as the dividend and 45 as the divisor. So 45 2s are 90. The remainder we are left out with is 0 in this step. So here we are going to express the same thing as in the Euclid's division algorithm. So 90, our A is equal to B, that's 45, into the quotient Q, that's 2 in this case, plus the remainders, that is 0. So here in this step we have attained the remainder as 0, and the divisor from this particular step is our HCF. So we can say that the HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. So guys, I believe that you guys have got how to solve this question. Do solve the remaining two and let me know the answers in your comment. If you guys like my video, do subscribe to my channel and support me. Please comment on the below section. If you have any doubt, I will be happy to clear you with it. I'll be back with the other questions in this exercise shortly. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.